Today we are going to learn how salt dissolves in different liquids. Think like a scientist. Asking questions about dissolving. Read the activity on 49 of your learner's book. So friends, now we will take our learner's book. Think like a scientist too. Asking questions about dissolving, you will need a spoon, some cups and some water, vinegar and cooking oil, all other liquids and some salt, sugar and sand, flour, jelly, crystals, all other solids. Alone has a scientific question. Question 1. Which of the 5 types of scientific inquiry will alone need to find the answer? Let's search for testing observing over time. Identifying and classifying on pattern seeking. In your group, look at the materials and ask your own scientific question like this. Which liquid will salt dissolve in? Plan your own fair test by drawing a diagram to show in what you are going to do in a failed test. You change one thing, measure or observe one thing and keep the rest the same. In this test, the thing you change is the liquid. The thing you observed is whether the solid will dissolve. Question 2. To make the test fail, what will you need to keep the same? Label your diagram to show the things you will keep the same. The 4 liquid you will use to experiment with salt are water, lemon oil, juice and vinegar. The scientific question for your investigation is: which liquid will salt dissolve in? In a fair test, you change one thing, measured or observed one thing and keep the rest the same. The diagram to show your failed test and what you are going to do. Blend a glass with water, a glass with vinegar, a glass with oil, a glass with lemon juice. And each of this glass, I'm adding salt. In this test, the thing you will change is the liquid used. The thing you will observe is whether the salt dissolves or not. Now, I will do the activity. Record your results in the table below. The materials I have used are water, vinegar, oil, lemon juice. Salt is soluble in water. Salt is soluble in vinegar. Salt is insoluble in oil. Salt is soluble in lemon juice. Water, vinegar, lemon juice. Salt is insoluble in oil. Why is it unsafe to test the materials? It is unsafe because some liquid may be harmful for our health. Which in scientific inquiry did you use? Take 1. Fair testing. Research, fair testing, pattern seeking, observing over time, identifying and classifying. Fair testing is the correct option. Bye, friends.